Okay, the reason, the goal of this video that I show how I can pack into my Sirui case a Sirui tripod with a Manfrotto Befree small video head, a Benro leveling element, gizmo, I don't know, leveling head or something like that, and then a ball head from, I think, Benro too. Yes, this is the B0. So and then a number of other things. An extra Manfrotto plate, an extra Benro PU 50 plate. Here are the okay, and here is the Sirui tripod with the Manfrotto head. Yes, this is the Befree fluid drag system. Yes, Befree Live from Manfrotto. So this is how it is assembled and folded. Then I place it into the bag like so, and then it is important that the ball head and the leveling head, this extra stuff, should come here on the other side where the handle is. So when done, the first job is to start zipping here, and then the rest of this gear simply can come over here. Oops. Okay, this is the only way it can fit into this bag.